Hey YouTube, it's Andrew, back at it again with another video. Today we got the Allpowers 400 watt portable solar panel. So let's get into it. This panel is pretty compact, but when you unfold it, it becomes massive. You can see the rigid panels behind it for comparison. On the side of the solar panel, we'll find this big zipper pouch, and the zipper actually has a waterproof case. It comes with an MC4 connector, which is cool because you can put other panels in parallel or series connected to it. It comes with a barrel connector right here to MC4. Also, it comes with an XT60 plug to MC4. And this zipper pouch is big enough to carry all your cables and store them in it. The panel is 40 pounds light, easy to move around for this size. It comes with a nice handle. It has two latching clips, keeps it all intact. To unfold it, I put it on its side first and I unfold the panels. There's 5 of them, so it unfolds to be massive, and it has 5 kickstands or legs. I want to show you that they are adjustable right here. Let me turn it around. Now this part, there is no easy way to set this up other than just kind of trying to get one end first and then going back for the other end. So right here, I just do the left side, the 2 legs. I let it plop over, adjust as needed. Now I go to the right side, adjust those legs, and then on the very last I go to the middle one and make my adjustments, make sure everything's nice and smooth, looks good, make sure they're all even and look pretty sturdy. Make my final adjustments right here, pretty sturdy. To undo this, we're just gonna lift the solar panel back up, slide it within itself and fold it back up. Make sure that you attach the clips. Like so. And that's all there is to it. Right here I have the solar panel on top of my roof, and I'm going to use my extension PV cable to MC4 right here. Now let's follow the cable from the roof inside to where I have my solar generator, and let's go find out what type of numbers I'm getting. Right here you can see I'm getting 330 watts. Now before I set this up and got my cameras out and tested it, I was able to get 345 watts. But the sun and clouds were kind of coming in and out. I wanted to test again, so I put the solar panel on the floor right here. And it's not the best day to be testing. It is a little hazy outside, so I don't have clear skies. But I'm still getting pretty good numbers, 334 watts, 335. I'll take that all day. Alright, so the final test, I'm going to throw the solar panel flat on the ground, and let's see what type of numbers I'm getting. I'm almost getting 200 watts right here, which is awesome. Allpowers really outdid themselves with this solar panel. I must say it's an amazing solar panel that's portable, 400 watts, which is incredible. Great price. Guys, go ahead and check it out. Link in the description below if you're interested. Hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.